As you guys watch this footage, tell me, would you guess that this came from a Mavic Mini? And what would your first guess be? Because I just wouldn't have said Mini first. I'm absolutely shocked with how it looks. Welcome to one of my favorite places, the Sonoran Desert. I absolutely love adventuring here because you never know what you're gonna get, but you do have to be a little extra brave. There's wild cows everywhere. There's a lot of wildlife. Bee boxes, those are pretty cool. Obviously those are man-made, but they're also everywhere. And there's a lot of bees, critters, snakes, all kinds of stuff. We were just headed down this trail when we ran into this. We definitely weren't expecting this to happen today. That's the road I want to go down. Not gonna be able to today. Wow. I didn't think of that.
Today it's a river.
Hey, what's going on everyone? Nick Corona here. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're watching this video today, it's gonna be great for two reasons. One, if you just wanna come along on an awesome Sonoran Desert adventure with me and see what it's like out there, especially during a rare time. And two, if you would like to see some really phenomenal drone footage, in particular from the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom and the DJI Mavic Mini. When I was editing this footage, guys, I was shocked at how close the Mavic Mini footage looked to the Mavic 2 footage. It really blew it out of the water and just kind of emphasizes how much I tell you guys that the Mavic Mini for $500, $400 if you just get the regular kit, is just an extreme value. So unfortunately, because this river was flowing where it's not always flowing, we decided to just go ahead and take a flight there, and this is what we saw. Yeah, so as you can see, this is an extremely beautiful area. And as I was flying, all of a sudden I started to hear a moo, but it was getting closer and closer. And that's when I realized there was a cow walking right by the car to its watering hole. And I was thankful to have the zoom and be able to kind of keep my distance and check out what the cow was doing. Super cool. So you guys got to see some Mavic 2 footage, and what we decided to do next was use the Mavic Mini to follow us to the next spot as I was driving and I had someone else to fly the Mavic Mini. And this is the footage that I'm shocked with, guys. This looks amazing. Definitely let me know below what you think. As you guys watch this footage, tell me, would you guess that this came from a Mavic Mini? And what would your first guess be? Because I just wouldn't have said Mini first. I'm absolutely shocked with how it looks. So let's take a look. I love drones so much. When I do stuff like this, I can still hardly believe that they're real. I mean, flying around the desert and landing through the sunroof, come on. It even makes the Camry look sick. The Camry is sick. That car is an off-road beast, you guys will see. Unbelievable. But anyways, as we continue to travel down this road, we finally found a part where it was actually cut off by the Agua Fria. Earlier, we come to find out that was a little bit of a different channel, a little bit of a different river. Now we're over near the Agua Fria, and we come across the absolute most perfect flying spot. Just a huge dirt circle with the most beautiful scenery that you could ever imagine. And I can't even put it into words. We just got to jump into it. So enjoy this video, kick back and relax. This is some of the most beautiful parts of the country, and this particular spot where we're flying is the cusp of the Agua Fria, where it's sometimes running and sometimes not, and during this it just happens to be a little bit more running, and you can kind of see where it goes from nothing to something and all the way into an entire giant man-made lake. So just super cool. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've made it this far and you've enjoyed the content, I highly encourage you to look through my channel, check out my playlist. I guarantee you're gonna love it. I put a lot of time and effort into all my videos. The reason some videos have more plays than others is just this crazy awesome YouTube algorithm. So don't let it discourage you. Check stuff out. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like, because we gotta get the crap off the internet. I don't like having any bad videos up. So take me up on it, check my content out, be my critic. I appreciate it, and I think you all will appreciate this beautiful experience. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start our fly through the Agua Fria. I'm so glad we drove this far. I like that. That is crazy. Lake Pleasant Regional Park. Wow.
The back door to that.
We reached our hindquarters.
Oh, this is the most perfect spot to fly through. There's people out here. There's some people actually in there, I can see. Oh, I don't care. I want to shut up. Wow. Alright, we finally found a really pretty spot to pull over and do some flying. Sounds like there's a dying cow out there, so we're gonna see if we can find it. There's some campers, but sun is setting and the drones is going up.
Good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much. Too much.